So here's how you can block unknown numbers automatically on your Android phone. So if you're new here on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So this can be done when you head over to the phone app, you know, the one where you type in the phone numbers, or you can see the recents and everything, right? But in the top right corner, we have the three dots for more options, and upon clicking on it, you can expand it and find the settings as such, and you're going to see a couple of different ways to block numbers. So literally first option is right there, and you can see block calls from unknown numbers. It is turned on for me, and you likely want to have that enabled as well. So as long as the phone is not recognizing who is calling you, then it's going to be on the blocked list and it will simply not ring your phone. So that's a feature I personally have enabled all the time, but it can go a little bit deeper than that, because below we have these specific numbers which you can decide to block. Like, so if you have some specific number you don't want to be receiving calls from, then this is where you can type that in, or you can click on the block spam and scam calls, and in there I also have that enabled, and you can see that it will kind of like figure out if the call is safe, and it might be filtered out automatically as well. So if you're interested in this, just play around with that and make sure you have it set up according to your preferences. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. That's essentially all that I wanted to say. So let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.